It's a medical malpractice trial, and now it's my turn to put on my client on the witness stand. Mrs. Jones, tell us what happened. Why would I ask my client such an open-ended question? You want to know why? Come join me for a moment as I share with you exactly why I do that. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney. And you should know this is direct examination when I put my client up on the witness stand. I'm going to be asking her a series of open-ended questions. Who, what, where, when, how, why. I want her to go ahead and explain to the jury everything in her own words. I don't want to put words in her mouth. I'm not asking leading questions like I do on cross-examination, where I don't want the opposing witness to go ahead and start explaining things. Instead, on cross-examination, I want to ask leading questions that only call for yes, no, I don't know, or I can't answer. But on direct examination, with a client who is friendly to me and her case, I want the jury to get to know her. I want them to get to understand what happened to her in her own words. And the only way that will happen is if I say, Mrs. Jones, tell us what happened. And now she begins to explain to the jury in her own words exactly what happened. And I will ask follow-up questions. Tell us more. What happened then? Tell me why you did that. What happened next? What did he say? It gives my client the opportunity to go ahead and literally explain to the jury. And the more they understand from her what happened, the better it is that they'll understand in their minds her viewpoint of what this case is really all about. So that's why you will find good attorneys, really good attorneys, asking their clients open-ended questions on direct examination in order for the jury to understand exactly why they're there, what problems they have today, how their injuries have affected them on a regular basis, and what they can no longer do today. So why do I share this quick information with you? I share it with you just to give you an understanding of what goes on behind the scenes in these accident cases and medical malpractice cases and even wrongful death cases. You know, I understand you're watching this video because you have questions or concerns about your own matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you've not yet started a lawsuit because you have questions that need to be answered, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your questions. You know, this is something I do every single day and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a great day.